Jump on it.
I'm not gonna jump on it.
Yeah, jump on it.
No.
Scared, jump on it.
No.
Jump
That's
on
a
it.
piss stain right there.
Yeah. You can see we've come across a park.
Yeah, let's go. Oh shit, there's a spinny pole thing. I'm
Spinny
gonna go
pole.
to the park, you go to yourself. See you there.
Alright, I'll meet you there, man.
Oh yeah.
Dash, show him how excited you are.
What?
Show him how excited you are.
Oh my god!
Holy crap! Oh my god! That was the shittiest slide.
Epic!
Holy crap!
Edition slide. Oh, Daniel, what's this? What's this?
Yo, no.
Oh shit! Hey, fun guys, get on before you guys had to smash the like button. Okay, guys, you had to smash the like button.
Oh no way!
Oh yeah, Buzz.
Man, that park fucking sucked, man.
Yeah, bro.
Didn't even have a speaker.
I know.
What the fuck?
They didn't even have adapters.
Yeah, where's the fucking government, Paul?
Daniel.
Dash, I don't think that's a good idea to get that scooter.
Yeah.
Do it. Someone's gonna fucking walk past and just see this fucking man. Jesus, dude, fuck it. You have insane tricks, man.
Practicing all my life for that.
I just remember we're meant to be going to Yusuf, not Salt Shaker Yusuf, different Yusuf. But we're supposed to be going there. And we haven't been.
Ow. Some meatballs.
Okay, now.
Oh, demolish that.
You completely missed
Okay,
one.
well.
You completely fucking missed one. Bro, work your head, Dash.
I sure hope it does.
Yo! Alright, we're gonna cut to when we're at Yusuf's. Okay, so we're walking to Yusuf's, and this little baby on like a tricycle points up and goes, I know you, to him.
No, not me.
Yeah, well, so do you. He like straight up goes, are you talking shit?
You say you're talking shit about my mum? Yo, is that a trike from Fortnite?
Yo.
Fortnite?
Man, it is. Holy shit. Insane. So this is the second mattress you've seen, man. Like,
It's pretty comfy. Gem.
just
Ah, why is there a foot mark thing?
okay, right. Yo, dude, if you call that number, someone's like one will randomly be mowed, man.
Whoa.
It's pretty cool.
Deuces.
Dude, the scary part is that's the start of my brother's phone number.
Alright, gang. We're at Yusuf's house.
I take it to the log.
Hey, Stevie. So, oh. Deuces.
It's actually the white fence down there.
White fence?
Yeah.
Ew, white fence? Is that an STD? Yeah, bro. My girl gave me a white fence. Alright, gang. We are finally at Yusuf's house.
She said again?
Alright, gang. We're gonna go there. Go kidnap him. Let's fucking go. Alright, gang.
You know, I sent you things saying you're not allowed to come to my house. Then you would get lots of seeds.
Animal whisperer right here.
The bird whisperer.
The bird whisperer.
Hey, bro.
I'll get Scarlet out.
Oh.
She doesn't.
Up on my shoulder, guy. Oh, crap.
Oh, bro.
Oh my god.
Hey, I don't have anything.
Holy
that's my
crap.
hand.
No, she can't go in others at the moment. She's really scared of it. Okay. Yeah, I'll fuck that shit.
Mirror selfie. Hey, bub. Want to do a mirror selfie with? Yeah, bird whisperer. Want some seeds? Ow. Ow. Ow.
Where's the seed?
No.
Camera.
Why is Burb such a derp little?
Likes me too much.
Hey, shoulder check.
Alright, bye.
Like a set time, like a week or two, and they just like, full of hormones. And it's August, so it's
Bullshock
the
testosterone.
season.
For these birds here, tell me the marketing campaign. Tell me what's gonna happen, alright? Tell me how's it gonna go down.
Hoping for them to get frisky, so I can get some bibbers.
Dash, what do you think of that?
Sell the babies on the black market.
He's not
Oh my god, he's stalking the shit out of me the whole time. I thought that was.
Also, they can't eat cocoa beans.
Whoa! Holy shit!
If you give them cocoa beans, parrots.
Who said money can't buy?
Yeah, you can buy.
I'm pretty sure that's what all the poor people say.
Money can't buy you happiness.
Why do they have jobs then and try to get more money if money doesn't buy you happiness?
Maybe happiness buys us happiness.
Maybe money buys us money.
Go to Africa and see if money. Do you know money can't buy you happiness?
What?
Excuse me? Can money buy me a family and a roof over my head that I can feed every day?
Buy you like at least 5 children on the black market.
Daniel Sidoruk reporting live here. Now today we are going to talk to Yusuf about his marketing campaign of making the babies talk.
What are you doing, Cam? Oh, baby, what is you doing? Oh, baby.
Selling one on the black market.
You're going too hyper.
Bruh.
Look at the boy.
Is Grandma Daniel on crack cocaine?
What's good?